Hello loves, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, it would mean so much if you guys hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. These are all going to be remedies on how to fade your stretch marks or to prevent stretch marks. So if you guys like videos like this, thumbs it up. I do a lot of videos on how to get rid of certain things. Comment down below any other issue that you want me to talk about and do a video on. Of course, stretch marks are natural. Everyone is going to experience stretch marks in their life. If you're a little bit insecure about that, this hopefully will help you out. But I hope you guys like the video. Thumbs it up if you do, and let's just jump right into it. First things first, I'm gonna go over something to do to prevent stretch marks or to also fade stretch marks, and that is just using hyaluronic acid. So I love the ordinary hyaluronic acid. It's super affordable and it's really great quality, so I will link it down below, the one I use. But studies have shown that applying hyaluronic acid to early stretch marks made it less noticeable and also may help prevent stretch marks. I'm sure many of you have heard about collagen, and collagen is the protein in our skin that allows it to keep its shape and appear healthy. So as we age, collagen decreases in our face and our bodies. Hyaluronic acid can actually stimulate collagen production. So that is why this is really great to apply to any stretch marks that you have on your body. Before applying any remedy onto these stretch marks, it is important to prep with a scrub, and a great DIY scrub is just some coffee grounds and olive oil. This is a really easy scrub to make straight from home. All I did is apply equal parts of the coffee grounds and as well as the olive oil, and then just mixed it into a little bowl. Why it's really great is because the coffee grounds are amazing for stimulating blood flow and circulation when directly applied to the skin. It also improves cell regeneration, and as well as it's a great exfoliant and also great at removing dead cells and loose skin. The olive oil part of the scrub is great as well because it moisturizes, cleanses, and it protects your skin. But by using the scrub, it's just really going to help remove the dry and rough skin for maximum product absorption. All I did was I just rubbed the scrub all over the area of where my stretch marks were. Of course, you can use this all over your body, even just as an exfoliant. It's really great for the entire body. I mainly concentrate it on my inner thighs because I find that's the area where I have my stretch marks. Of course, when I finished applying the scrub and really removed all the dead skin cells, I just made sure to clean it completely off with some warm water to get ready to apply my DIY remedies onto the stretch marks. Now I'm going to share with you 3 DIY remedies that are really going to help fade your stretch marks. All 3 remedies are really simple and don't require many ingredients at all, and you probably have most, if not all, the ingredients at home already. For the first remedy, all you're going to need is 1 ingredient, and that is egg whites. So all I did was put the egg whites into a bowl. Once you have the egg whites in the bowl, all you have to do is take a makeup brush and apply a thick layer to the stretch mark. For myself, I applied it on the inner thighs and the back of my thighs, but you can apply it onto your stomach or wherever you have stretch marks. So once you apply it, you're gonna let it completely dry before you rinse it off with cold water. And when you do rinse it off, it is important to apply a light coat of olive oil to really hydrate the skin. This will really help lighten the marks while tightening the skin at the same time. So egg whites are really great because the amino acids and proteins in egg whites really work to repair damaged skin. And once you do this remedy over time, you're really going to notice a difference in your skin. Moving on to DIY remedy number 2, and that is just lemon juice. All you have to do is rub fresh lemon juice gently on the stretch marks using circular motions, and then you're just going to allow the lemon juice to soak into your skin for at least 10 minutes before going ahead and rinsing it off with warm water. I do have to say, of course, when doing this, make sure that you didn't just shave or something and then you're applying the lemon, because it will obviously sting your skin. So I always make sure to do this when I didn't just freshly shave. And lemon is just great because it is naturally acidic, so it really helps to heal and reduce stretch marks / even scarring that you may have on your body. And for the third DIY remedy, all you're going to need is castor oil. So all you have to do is apply castor oil to the stretch marks, gently massage the area in circular motions for 5 to 10 minutes. Once you do this, make sure to wrap the area with either a thin cotton cloth or saran wrap. And once you do this, you can also put a heating pad on if you would like, and then just let it sit for half an hour before you remove it. You can even do this remedy daily for at least 1 month, and trust me, you're going to notice such a difference. Castor oil is great because it is not only a harmless and natural method, but its rich contents are capable of really providing a soothing effect to our body, especially the skin and hair. Though, make sure to try and use the purest form of castor oil when doing this if you want to have the maximum benefits from it. But those are 3 DIY remedies. You obviously don't do all of these at once. You can pick one of them and then keep up with it, and you will notice such a big difference. So you can either try which one will work for you, but these are all just really great natural remedies that are going to help fade your stretch marks over time. Video. If you liked it, thumbs it up, share it with your friends if it was useful, and don't forget to click the subscribe button to join my YouTube family. I upload every Thursday and Sunday, and on that note, I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!